Both gold and silver stuck to their support at 1808 and 2130 yesterday and precisely bounced back from those levels. Now what is going to happen today? Which levels we should enter, what could be the probable trading behavior and trading range for these, I am gonna tell you with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and do not forget to press the bell icon. When the next analysis for gold specifically will be up just before the US cash session. So do press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. Yes, I am Ankit and welcome you all to my channel. Thanks for all your support and motivation. Now let's start the day with gold first. Gold right now trading at 1816 levels. Now this is the 2-hour charts for gold. You can see this is still trading in downward trending channel, and yes, it is very much in a downward slope here. However, the level at 1818 again will prove out to be a stronger resistance for the day. Yes, you can go long above, as yesterday I told, above 1818 one can expect 1820, 25 and 30 levels. It precisely went up till 1825 and retraced. Today again, if you see gold trading above 1818, you can go long and expect it to rise. The next target is 1822, and beyond 1822 only one can expect that it is going to give you a strong reversal till towards 1825 and 1830 levels. In fact, 1836 cannot be denied if it continues to trade above 1818 levels. At the same time, on the downside, there is a support here at 1814 levels. And yes, multiple candles have got the support at these levels now on the 2-hour charts, and that is why once again 1814 rather one can go short itself at 1813 levels, such that you can keep a dollar cushion below which you can go short and expect it to go back till towards 1808, and below 1808 we may see a good drop. Now look at the directional movement is on the verge of a bearish crossover. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is trading on a it's on a greener side, but may, because it's running with so little divergence, that probably they may crossover again. RSI trading flat, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart similarly, see, already lower highs have been done, and you can see it may try to trade within this zone itself. So probably the confirmation here is only long above 1818 levels, and beyond which 1822 and 1825 levels may provide a resistance, and beyond that it may fly. At the same time, till the time it remains below 1818, see the size of the candle after this bigger move is a smaller candle, and probably if it tries to go deep from here, we may see further red candles. And yes, below 1813 you can go short, where the target is going to be towards 1810 and 1808 levels, which is going to provide a stronger support. Directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is in a comfortable zone, but appears it has achieved a high and it is trading with a bearish bias. The MACD is trading green and with very little divergence there. The RSI is trading flat. If you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, see, on the 4-hour charts the story is somewhat different, as you can see lower highs, and this is the first red candle. Probably we may see bigger red candles in the coming time frames, and hence yes, if you see it trading below 1813, one can go short there. One can expect 1808, and below that it may try to come back till towards 1800 level. See, it is trying to trade in this channel, and the lows are now at around 1800. Probably once it breaks 1800, there could be a sharper fall which may try to take it towards 1791 and 1780 levels. So that is what it appears. Only long entry is above 1818, and yes, above 1818 we may see still a resistance at around 1822 and 25 levels. Divergence and bearishness on directional movement. The stochastic on the verge of a crossover here for a sell off, and that is what it appears on the 4-hour chart. The MACD is still in buy side, running flat, running parallel. RSI is also running flat but looking downwards with a slight slope. And now coming back to the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, till the time it trades below 1818, one can expect similar size of candle, which is almost of $10 move, and hence it can try to come back till towards 1808 first support, and in fact this time it will go below 1808. The target is going to be somewhere at 1804 and 1800 levels, and below 1800 there could be a sharper drop in, if not today then tomorrow probably. So yes, you can remain short below 1818. Probably we may be looking at 1810, 1808, 1804 and below levels. Now look at the directional movement is still bearish. The stochastic is on the verge of a crossover again, and it may try to look back down again. But the MACD is also on the verge of a bullish crossover, so I'll be watchful there. The RSI is trading at the bottom there, so probably it may continue and then a bounce back can be expected later. If not this week, then next week probably. So considering this, till the time today 1818 is the level I will be watchful of. If it trades below 1818, one can expect that it may try to, you can go short at 1813 levels, and below 1813 one can expect 1810, 1808, 1804 and 1800 levels. It can drop till 1800. Remember, it can drop till 1800 if it continues to trade below 1813, and yes, 1808 is the first resistance which it will find, and below that we may see a good drop till towards 1804 and 1800 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Go short below 1813, that is the call, and above 1818 you can go long. Above 1818 my target is towards 1822 and then 1825, and beyond that we may see a stronger rise till towards 1830 and 36 levels. So you can take your positions accordingly. This is all for gold. Now let's have a look at silver. See, silver on the 2-hour charts has got its resistance at 2145 and precisely a larger resistance at 2150. So yes, any move above 2150 you can go long there. However, if you look at it, is looking forward to a sharper drop there, and probably one can expect that the silver might drop strongly on the downside. Once it breaks past 2130, you can expect that it is going to go till towards 2110 and below levels. So this is what is expected out of silver. Below 2130 you can go short, below above 2150 you can go long. This is beyond 2150, the resistance is going to be 2160 and 2170 levels. Directional movement is bearish. However, look at the bearishness is trying to diminish here on the 2-hour charts. I'll be cautious. Stochastic is bottom and still it is at bottom. So yes, a reversal on as per stochastic, probable that it is oversold, so hence a bounce back can be expected. MACD is wide divergent and is still trading with the bearish bias. The RSI is looking upwards and trading flat right now. On the 3-hour charts, if you see the candles here, see lower highs, red candle, probably now it may again try to come back till towards 2135 and 2130 levels. Once it drops below 2130, we can expect a sharper drop there. And if you look at the directional movement is still bearish, and if you look at the stochastic is at bottom looking upwards. MACD has crossed over and it is still trading with divergence and trading with a bearish bias. RSI trading flat, and on the 4-hour charts, if you look at, see on the 4-hour charts, similarly lower highs, and look at this, these two candles, diminishing body size, a consolidation, and now it is trying to trade with a drop, and that is why I say one can only go short below 2130 levels, below which one can expect a sharper drop till towards 2110, which is going to be a little support, rather 2115, and below that we can expect it to drop below 2100 levels. So right now it is sloping and it may give you sharper red candles. Do not go long till it is below 2150. That is also very much clear. Above 2150, 2160 and 2170 are the two levels which I will be watchful of. The directional movement is still bearish, it is crossed over. Stochastic on the 4-hour charts is again oversold, it is trading at bottom. And MACD, the MACD has just crossed over first red candle. So probably if it does not reverse, we may see successive red candles in the coming time, and it can try to drop till towards 2115 and 2100 levels. The RSI is also trading flat, and if you look at the daily charts, now let's come back to the daily charts. On the daily chart, see these two candles, lower highs, lower lows. So here the high for the day is somewhere hit around 2160, and yes, if you see it trading beyond 2160, consider this as reversal and it will try to hit 2200. Mark my words, if it tries to trade about 2160 and 2170 levels, it will try to hit 2200 levels. So this zone at 2160 and 2170 I will be watchful of, and yes, beyond 2155, yes, you can remain long. And yes, on the downside, the support here is at around 2130, 2125 levels. If it breaks this, we can expect a sharper drop and the red candle may appear, which will try to take it towards 2100 and below levels. The directional movement is still bearish, and the stochastic is on the verge of a crossover again on the downside. MACD has just crossed over, and it is still this is just second green candle, and it is trading with very little divergence, rather almost parallel. The RSI has just come out of this oversold zone and it has just seen a little bounce back. So probably one can go long above 2150 on silver today, above which one can expect 2155, 2160 and this is going to be two nearby resistances. So always keep shifting your stop losses to cost whenever you see first target getting achieved. Beyond 2160, next target 2170, and if it breaks 2170 and sustains, directly it will lend to 2190 and 2200 levels. So you can consider that as a very good entry at around 2160, 2170 levels for it to go till towards or remain long till towards 2200 levels. On the downside, if it breaks below 2130, one can expect that it is going to give you a sharper drop till towards 2115 and 2100 levels. In fact, it can try to go and drop below 2100 level also. So one can remain short at 2130, remain long above 3150. That is what is the call for the day. Take your positions accordingly. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. The next batch, 11th batch, is starting on 6th of June. 15 days mentorship, 90 minutes daily with lots of practice and lots of strategies, definitely, which will help you become a proficient and efficient trader. Also, you can join my VIP signals group. Thank you very much. Reach out to me for details. My email and telegram IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much.